Oh, la, la. Good morning, Leonard. Do you know it's time to change the calendar? Another day, another dollar, Leonard. Another day, another dollar. Only 4 months until Christmas dinner! Leonard, we haven't started anything! Ah! Ah! Don't panic. It's not too late. Come on, Leonard. Let's make a list. Oh, Fennicredit. Oh, yes. Oh, Old Gourmet. That's a classic. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's colors. Wait. We need a new color scheme for this year. Color scheme. Decorations for the house, inside and out. New table settings with vintage glasses. Guest list. David, Paul, Carrie, Nicholas, Mike, Maddie, Toby, Eric, Spencer, Brian, Lynn, Regina, Joe, Nick, Hightow, Jillian, Isaac, Tyson Fury, Gordon Ramsay, Mary Berry, and Leonard. Just finished the Christmas menu. Let's take a look at Christmas breakfast. Christmas crackers. The good ones sell out in July, but I still have some. We're gonna need more. Paul calls me the Christmas nut. Yes, Carbo?
You're the Christmas nut.
What to serve to drink? Champers. Cocktails. Wine. We need a new Christmas card. Reggie, take our picture. What a day. But that wasn't so hard, said the actress to the bishop. We'll get you ready for everything.